Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be looking at the derivative of a sum, right? So let's say we have a function f of x is equal to u of x plus v of x, right? Now this is the sum of two functions, right? This is a function of x, u is a function of x, and then v is a function of x as well, right? So differentiating using first principle approach, we have that our f becomes x plus delta x, right? And then our u becomes x plus delta x plus v of x becomes v x plus delta x, right? Now let's subtract f from both sides of the equation. So on our left hand side becomes f of x plus delta x minus f of x, and then on our right hand side it becomes u of x plus delta x plus v of x plus delta x, right? Minus, now f of x becomes u of x plus v of x, right? So now let's collect like terms, okay, for our right hand side. So this becomes u of x plus delta x. Now if we open this bracket, minus will multiply this and then it becomes minus u of x. So this becomes minus u of x, right? Plus, okay, plus v of x plus delta x, and then minus multiplied by v of x becomes minus v of x, right? So our left hand side is fx plus delta x minus f of x. So now if we divide both sides by delta x, we have f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x for our left hand side, and then for our right hand side becomes u x plus delta x minus u of x all over delta x plus v of x plus delta x minus v of x all over delta x. Now we'll take the limits as delta x approaches 0. So for our left hand side becomes limit as delta x approaches 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x, and then for our right hand side becomes the limit of u of x plus delta x minus u of x delta x, and then plus limit as delta x approaches 0 of v of x plus delta x minus v of x all over delta x, right? So now this becomes what we get at the end, but we can simplify this further. We can go further in solving this. So this becomes f prime, since we know that the limit as delta x approaches 0 of, say, any function f, let's say f of x, it becomes f prime of x, or dx f of x, right? They both mean the same thing. So f prime is the same thing as d of dx of x, d over dx of f of x, rather. So we can write this as f prime of x, right? And then on our right hand side as well, we can write u prime of x, right, for u, and then plus v prime of x, right? So now this is also equal to dy over dx, equal to, now this is du all over dx, because this is u and it is a function of x, so we're differentiating with respect to x. We're differentiating u with respect to x, which is u prime of x, right? And then v prime of x becomes dv all over dx. So this is the formula